industry-leading charging times, and an impressive driving range. The Genesis GV60 Electric Elevated.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do a quick safety video live for the few people who didn't see the video on the screen. So seatbelt and no smoking sign are located throughout the aircraft. Please obey at all time. You must wear your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign has been turned on, and we suggest wearing it even the sign is off. Fasten your seatbelt by adjusting around your hip to resist it, lift the upper portion. If there is a need to evacuate the aircraft, leave your personal belongings behind and follow the flooring lining system to the nearest exit. There are 4 exits located on each side of the aircraft. All these are indicated by an exit sign. Please locate the one next to you. The university card in your seat pocket explains the main safety feature of the aircraft. Please review it before takeoff. If the cabin pressure changes, an oxygen mask will drop from the panel above you. Remain seated and pull it to bring the mask towards you. Adjust the super strap to hold the mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally. Always secure your own mask before assisting another person. If there is an emergency landing on water, reach for your life vest found below the armrest, under your seat, or beside your right vest. Remove the elastic band if required, slip it on, fasten the waist clip, and tighten the belt. Pulling the tab will inflate the life vest. You can also inflate it by blowing into the tube. The life vest should only be inflated if you leave the aircraft. If you need any assistance or have any concern, please let one of us know. Thank you for choosing Air Canada.
Flight attendants, take position for takeoff.
No, just waiting for clearance. Now it's going.
at all times during today's flight, using e-cigarette smoking and consuming your own alcohol or any cannabis produce is prohibited. On today's flight, we are offering our Air Canada Bistro service. A variety of food and drinks can be purchased using your credit card. Electronic versions of your receipt can be accessed by visiting www.aircanada.com/bistro. Internet service is available on this aircraft. You may connect it by paying with your credit card. Select the AC Wi-Fi network, launch the browser, and type aircanadawifi.com in the address bar. Please note the use of voice application is not permitted in flight. Thank you for choosing Air Canada and enjoy your flight. Nous vous invitons à boucler votre ceinture en tout temps. Il est interdit d'utiliser des cigarettes électroniques, de fumer, de consommer votre propre alcool ou tout produit du cannabis. À bord du vol d'aujourd'hui, nous offrons notre service Bistro Air Canada. Vous pouvez acheter une variété d'aliments et de boissons au moyen de vos cartes de crédit. Pour accéder à un reçu électronique, veuillez visiter www.aircanada.com/bistro Air Canada. Un service Internet sans fil est offert à bord de cet appareil. Vous pouvez vous connecter en payant avec votre carte de crédit. Sélectionnez le réseau AC Wi-Fi. Lancez votre navigateur et tapez aircanadawifi.com dans la barre d'adresse. Veuillez noter que les applications vocales ne sont pas permises à bord. Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada et bon vol.